Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 4, multiplication of numbers from the book Maths 3. Multiplication is the repeated addition of same number. Multiplication basically एक same number का repeated addition होता है. Okay. The number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. जिस number को multiply कर रहे हैं उसको हम multiplicand कहते हैं. The number by which we multiply is called the multiplier. जिस number से हम multiply कर रहे हैं उसको multiplier कहते हैं. The result of multiplication is called the product. जो result होता है multiplication का उसे product कहते हैं. The multiplicand and the multiplier are also called factors. Multiplicand और multiplier को हम factors भी कहते हैं. This is the sign of multiplication. So this is the sign of multiplication. And 54 multiply 5 equals to 270. Now multiplicand is 54. 5 is the multiplier and 270 is the product. 54 multiply 5 equals to 270 is called the multiplication fact. इसी को ये पूरे लिखने को हम बोलते हैं multiplication fact. Okay? Then properties of multiplication. First, any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. किसी भी नंबर को अगर हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इट विल गिव 0. ओके, सो 5 मल्टीप्लाई 0 0. ओके, देन 52 मल्टीप्लाई 0 0 अगेन एंड 65 मल्टीप्लाई 0 अगेन 0. ओके, सेकेंड, एनी नंबर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 इज ऑलवेज दैट नंबर इटसेल्फ. किसी भी नंबर को अगर हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमेशा वही नंबर हमें मिलेगा, द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ओके, 5 मल्टीप्लाई 1 5, 52 मल्टीप्लाई 1 52, 65 मल्टीप्लाई 1 65. ओके, थर्ड, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स रिमेन्स द सेम इवन आफ्टर चेंजिंग देयर ऑर्डर. ऑर्डर चेंज करने के बाद भी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स सेम रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 into 6 30. If we multiply 6 into 5 again 30, no change. Then another example, 35 multiply 2 70. 2 multiply 35 70, no change. 28 multiply 5 140. 5 multiply 28 140. Again the product is same. Okay. Now multiplication tables. Multiplication tables are very helpful in multiplication and division. So let us learn multiplication tables of 2 to 20. Multiplication tables बहुत useful होती है multiplication करने में और division करने में. अभी हम 2 to 20 tables learn करेंगे. Table of 1. Okay, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 10s are 10. Okay, then table for 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Okay. Then table for 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Then table for 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Then table for 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Then table for 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54 and 6 10s are 60. Then table for 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Then table for 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Then table for 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Then table for 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Then table for 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. Then table for 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Then table for 13, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117, 13 tens are 130. Then table for 14, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Then table for 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. Then table for 16, 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144, 16 tens are 160. Then table for 17, 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85, 17 sixes are 102, 17 sevens are 119, 17 eights are 136, 17 nines are 153, 17 tens are 170. Then table for 18, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 sixes are 108, 18 sevens are 126, 18 eights are 144, 18 nines are 162, 18 tens are 180. Table for 19, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 144, 19 sevens are 133, 19 eights are 152, 19 nines are 171, 19 tens are 190. Table for 20, 20 ones are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 26 are 120, 27s are 140, 28s are 160, 29s are 180, 20 tens are 200. Multiplication by one digit number, which is without carrying. Okay, now multiply 3412 by 2. We have the steps here. 2 ones multiply 2 equals to 4 ones. Then 110 multiply 2 is equal to 2 tens. Then 400s multiply 2 equals to 800s. Then 3000 multiply 2 equals to 6000. Thus 3412 multiply 2 is equal to 6824. Here you can see 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, then 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6. This is how we calculate this. Okay. Here 3412 is multiplicand. This number is multiplicand. 2 is multiplier. This number is multiplier. And 6824 is product. This number, which is the answer, is the product. with carrying, multiply 686 by 2. We have the steps. 5 ones multiply 3 equals to 15 ones equals to 1 tens plus 5 ones. Write 5 at the ones place and carry 1 over tens place. 4 tens multiply 3 equals to 12 tens plus 1 ten carried over equals to 13 tens equals to 100 plus 3 tens. Write 3 at the tens place and carry 1 over 100 place. So here is the multiplication. First we'll multiply 3 5s are, which is 15. So 1 is carried over. Okay. Then 3 4s are 12. Now we'll add 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. Now we'll write 3 here and 1 is carried over. Then 3 9s are 27. So if we add 27 plus 1, answer will be 28. 8 is written here, 2 is carried over. So 2 is written here. The answer is 2835. Okay. 900s multiply 3 equals to 2700 plus 100 carried over equals 2800. Write 8 at the 100 place and 2 at the 1000 place. Hence 945 multiply 3 equals to 2835. This is I have already explained. Okay. Then exercise 4a, multiply the following. Okay. We'll do the A part. 432 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. The answer will be 864. Okay, then B part. 4 4s are 16. So 6 I'll write at 1's place and 1 is carried over. Got it? Then 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 4 1s are 4. If we add 4 to 1, we'll get 5. The answer is 536. We'll do one more. C part. 516 multiply 3. 3 6s are 18. 8 is written here, 1 is carried over. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, carried over 1. 4. Now 3 5s are 15. So 5 is written here and 1 at 1000 place. The answer is 1548. So the remaining parts you can do by yourself because those are the similar ones. Okay. Then multiplying by 10, 20, 30 up to 90. How do we multiply with these numbers? Okay. When we multiply a 1-digit or 2-digit number by 10, 20, 30, 40 up till 90, we multiply number by 1, 2, 3, 4 up till 9 respectively and insert 1 0 to the right of the product. Examples. तो जब हम कोई भी 1-digit या 2-digit नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 10, 20, 30, 40, 90 तक कोई भी नंबर है उनमें मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हम एक्चुअल में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं 1, 2, 3 अप टिल 9 तक. ओके और फिर जो आंसर आता है उसमें हम एंड में 0 एक ऐड कर देते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स वी हैव 5 into 10 equals to 50. So we have to multiply 5 and 1 means 5 ones are 5. So we'll write 5 and add 0 to it. So 50 is the answer. Then another example 15 multiply 10. Now 15 ones are 15. We have written 15 and 0 is added. The answer is 150. Okay. Then another example 12 multiply 20 equals to 240. Now 12 into 2 means 24. Then we have written 24 and added 0. The answer 240. Okay. Then 13 multiply 30. Now if we multiply 13 and 3, we'll get 39. We have added 0 to it. It makes 390. This is how we multiply. Okay. Then 14 multiply 50. 14 5s are 70. Now 70 and added 1 0. The answer is 700. Okay. Then 16 multiply 80. Now 16 8s are 128. Okay. And we have added 0 to it. That's why 1280. Okay. 1280 is the answer. Got it? Then multiplying by 100, 200, 300 up till 900. To multiply a number by 100, 200, 300, 400 up till 900, we multiply the given number by 1, 2, 3, 4 up till 9 respectively and insert 2 zeros to the right of the product. Examples, तो जब हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं नंबर को 100 से लेकर 900 तक, ओके, तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं पहले 1 से लेकर 9 तक, फिर एंड में जो आंसर आता है उसमें 2 zeros ऐड कर देते हैं, ओके. एग्जाम्पल्स वी हैव गिवन 5 multiply 100, 500 means 5 ones are 5, 5 is written and 2 zero is added, 500 is the answer. Then 13 multiply 300, 13 threes are 39 and 2 zeros are added, 3900 is the answer. Then 15 multiply 100, 15 ones are 15, right, and 2 zero is added, 1500 is the answer. Then 14 multiply 500, 14 fives are 70, then 70 and 2 zeros are added, which means the answer is 7000. Then 12 multiply 200, now 12 twos are 24, 24 and 2 zeros are added, 2400 is the answer. Then 16 multiply 800, 16 multiply 8 is 128, 2 zeros are added, means 12,800 is the answer, okay. Multiplying by 1000, 2000, 3000 up till now 9000. To multiply a number by 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 up till 9000, we multiply the given number by 1, 2, 3, 4 up till 9 respectively and insert 3 zeros to the right of the product. तो अगर हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है किसी भी नंबर को 1000 से लेकर 9000 तक, तो हम उन नंबर्स को 1, 2, 3 अप टिल 9 रिस्पेक्टिवली जो भी दिया है उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और एंड में 3 zeros ऐड कर देते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स वी हैव 5 multiply 1000. So 5 multiply 1 is 5 and we have added 3 zeros. So 5000 is the answer. Then similarly 13 multiply 3000. 13 multiply 3 is 39 and we have added 3 zeros. So 39,000 is the answer. Similarly, we have did these examples as well. 15 multiply 1000 is 15,000, then 14 multiply 5000 equals to 70,000, and 12 multiply 2000 is equal to 24,000. 16 multiply 4000 equals to 64,000. Okay, let us see some more examples. Some more examples are there. Okay, 15 multiply 10 equals to 150. So we are multiplying 15 and 1. So 15 and 0, 0, 150. Okay, 5 multiply 400 equals to 2000. Then 8 multiply 1000 equals to 8000. 20 multiply 40 equals to 800. 12 multiply 600 equals to 7200. Then 14 multiply 3000, 42,000. 17 multiply 60 equals to 1020. 13 multiply 900 equals to 11,700. 16 multiply 4,000 equals to 64,000. Okay, then we have exercise 4b. Now find the product of the following. Now we have to find these products. Okay, 8 multiply 10, answer will be 8 ones are 8 and there is 1 0, so 80 is the answer. Okay, then we have b, 17 multiply 80 equals to, so 17 multiply 8 is 136. Okay, and there is single zero, so we'll write 0 here. The answer is 1360. Now we'll do C part. 16 into 40 is equal to, the answer is 16 into 4 is 64 and there is only 1 0, so we'll write single zero. 640 is the answer. Now you can do the remaining parts by yourself. Okay, then multiplication by 2-digit number. Okay, without carrying. Multiply 324 by 22. Okay, 324 multiply 22. Now 2 4s are 8, right? 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Then here we need to put a 0 first. If we are multiplying with the second number, we have to put 0 always here. Okay, 2 2 multiply 4 is 8. Then 2 multiply 2 is 4. 2 multiply 3 is 6. Then we have to add them. 8 and 0, 8. 4 and 8, 12. 1 is carried over. Then 1, 6 and 4, 11. 1 is carried over, 7. Now there is also written, यहाँ पर हम 324 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. इस वाले में हम 0 इसलिए ऐड करते हैं because we are multiplying 324 by 20. Okay. Then यहाँ जो आंसर आया है 324 multiply 22 by adding 648 and 6480 दोनों को ऐड किया तब हमें आंसर मिला. Thus 324 multiply 22 equals to 7128. Okay. Then multiply 2432 by 12. So here we have 2432 multiply 12. Now we'll multiply this number which is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So here we are multiplying 2432 by 2 only. Right. Then in the next step, here is 1. Means we are multiplying now with 10. That's why we are adding 0 to it. Right. Now 1 multiply 2, 2. 1 multiply 3, 3. 1 multiply 4, 4. 1 2s are 2. Right. Then we'll add them. 4 and 0, 4. 6 and 2, 8. 8 and 3, 11. 1 is carried over. Then 1, 4, 4, 9. Then 2. So here you can see we are multiplying in this part 2432 by multiply by 10. And here we'll get 2432 multiply by 12. Which is the addition of both the numbers, which is 4864 plus 24320. Hence, the final answer is 2432 multiply 12 equals to 29184. Okay. Now exercise 4C. Now multiply the following. Okay, we'll multiply. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Then here we'll put 0. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Okay. Now we have to add 3 and 0, 3. 2 and 3, 5. 1 and 2, 3. And 1. The answer is 1353. Then B part. 422 multiply 23. Okay. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 again. 3 4s are 12. Then we'll write 0 here. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 2s are 4 again. 2 4s are 8. Now we'll add 6 and 0 makes 6. 6 and 4, 10. 1 is carried over. 1, 2 and 4 is 7. 1 and 8 is 9. The answer is 9706. Now the remaining part of these questions you can attempt yourself because those are the similar ones. These are the parts you can also attempt yourself. Okay. Then with carrying, multiply 423 by 42. Okay. 423 multiply 42. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now we are multiplying this with 423 multiply 2, we'll get this answer. Okay, 846. Then 4. Now in this part, we'll put the 0 first. Okay, here we are multiplying 423 by 40. We'll get the answer 16,920. How? 4 3s are 12, 1 is carried over. Okay. 4 2s are 8 and 1 is added, so 9. Then 4 4s are 16, 6 and 1 is here. Okay. Now we'll add 6 and 0, 6. 4 and 2, 6. 8 and 7, 17. 1 is carried over. 1 and 6, 7. 1 is written here. Then the answer is 17,766. So this is the final answer in which we are adding 846 plus 16,920 to give the answer 17,766, which is equal to 423 multiply 42. Thus the final answer is 423 multiply 42 equals to 17,766. Now multiply 2132 by 43. So we are multiplying it. Okay. In this step, we are multiplying 2132 multiplied by 3 to get this answer 6396. How we got this answer? 3 2s are 6, then 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, then 3 2s are 6. Got it? Now in this step we are multiplying 2132 multiply 40 equals to 85,280. Now how do we get this? So first we have to put the 0 here, then 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 is carried over, then 4 1s are 4, 1 is added, 5, 4 2s are 8, now we'll add. So in this step, add 6396 plus 85,280 to give the answer 91,676. 6 and 0 6, 9 and 8 17, 1 is carried over, 1 3 and 2 makes 6, then 6 and 5 11, 1 is carried over 9. Then exercise 4D, multiply the following and find the product. Okay, so A part, 323 multiply 14. Now 4 3s are 12, 1 is carried over, then 4 2s are 8, 1 is added, 9, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 2 is written here, 1 is at 1000 place. Then we'll add 0, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Now we'll add 2 and 0 2, 9 and 3 12, 1 is carried over here, 1, 2 and 2 makes 5, 1 and 3 makes 4. The answer is 4522. Okay, you can attempt the remaining part by yourself. Word problems. Examples. First, a pencil box has 19 pencils. How many pencils are there in such 204 boxes? तो एक पेंसिल बॉक्स है, उसमें 19 पेंसिल्स है. हमें बताना है कि ऐसे 204 बॉक्सेस में कितनी पेंसिल्स होंगी. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स इन वन बॉक्स 19. नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स इन 204 बॉक्सेस इक्वल्स टू 204 मल्टीप्लाई 19. ओके, नाउ विल मल्टीप्लाई. So 204 multiply 9. Here we'll get the answer 204 multiply 9. Okay. So 9 4s are 36, 3 is carried over, and 9 zeros 0 and 3 is added, so 3, 9 2s are 18, 18 is written here. Then 204 multiply 10 in this step. So here we'll add 0, then 1 4s are 4, 1 zeros are 0, 1 2s are 2. Then we'll add, so we'll get the 204 multiply 19, which is equal to 1836 plus 2040. So we'll get the answer 6, 3 and 4 are 7, 8 and 0 are 8, 1 and 2 are 3. First 204 boxes have 3876 pencils. Okay. Then second, a box contains 4215 balls. How many balls are contained in 22 such boxes? एक बॉक्स में इतनी बॉल्स है, हमें बताना है 22 बॉक्सेस में कितनी बॉल्स होंगी. नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स इन वन बॉक्स दिस मच 4215. Number of balls in 22 such boxes means we have to multiply 4215 multiply 22. So here we are multiplying. In this one we'll get 4215 multiply 2. So 2 5s are 10. 1 is carried over. 2 1s are 2. 3. 1 is added. And then 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Then in this step 4215 multiply 20. So we have added 0 to here. Then 2 5s are 10. 1 is carried over. Then 2 1s 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 0 and 0. 0 in the end. Then 3 and 0 makes 3. 4 and 3 makes 7. 8 and 4 makes 12. 1 is carried over. Then 1 and 8 makes 9. Okay. Which is equal to, in this step we have added 8430 plus 84,300. Okay. Now, hence 22 boxes contain 92,730 balls. Then exercise 4E. First, fill in the blanks. A. 7 multiply 10 equals to dash. The answer is 70. Then we have B part, dash multiply 10 equals to 120. तो हमें सोचना है कि ये वाला नंबर किसके टेबल में 10 पर आता है. The answer is 12. In these type of question we have to think this number comes on this number in which table. Okay, then you can attempt the remaining parts by yourself. Okay, second, match the sums in column A with their answer in column B. Okay, so we'll do the matching. Column A, column B. A 7 8s are 56. So A is matched with second. B 3 10s are 30. So we'll match B with fifth. Then C 9 6 are 54. So we'll match C with fourth. D 6 4s are 24. So we'll match D with first. E 7 7s are 49. So we'll match E with third. Third, replace each star with a one-digit number. So this is kind of a missing number we have to write. Okay. A part we have 35. Then star here, multiply 2. Then in the answer part we have 2, 0 and a star. Okay. So here and here we have to fill those numbers. Okay. So 2, 2. 2 के टेबल में 2 कितने पर आता है? 1 पर. So the answer here is 1. Okay. Got it? Then 2 3s are 6. So यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? 6 आएगा. Okay. So we have to think in this way. Okay. To find the answer missing number, or you can say. Okay. Then B part. 3 4s are 12. So we'll write 2 here and 1 is carried over. Got it? Then 3 1s are 3 and 1 is added, so we'll got 4. Then we have to write the number here. Here is 9. 9 के टेबल में 3 कितने पर आता है? 3 पर. The answer here is 3. Okay. Then C part. 5 2s are 10. 0 is written here. 1 is carried over. Got it? Now 5 के टेबल में 1 नहीं आता. It means there is 0, because if we multiply 5 and 0 we'll got 0 and 1 is added. So 1 is written here. Okay. Got it? Then D part. 3 star star multiply 6. Answer star star 3 6. Okay. 6 के टेबल में 6 कितने पर आता है? मीन्स 1 जो वंस डिजिट पर कौन कौन से नंबर में 6 आता है? एक 6 आता है. ओके. एक 36 आता है. ओके. तो 6 के टेबल में 6 तो 1 पर आता है, बट 36 6 पर आता है. तो यहाँ पर जो नंबर है दैट इज 36. सो विल राइट हियर 6 एंड 3 तो आता नहीं है 6 के टेबल में. सो हियर वी हैव 0. ओके. Then 6 3s are 18. So 8 here and 1 here. Okay. Now the remaining 2 parts you can attempt yourself. Okay. Then 4, choose the correct answer. Now we'll mark the correct answer. A. 64 multiply 10 equals to 640 / 6400. The answer is 640. Why? Because 64 multiply 1, 64. Then there is only 1 0. That's why the answer will be 640. Okay. Then B part. 92 multiply 100 equals to 920 / 9200. Now the answer is 9200. Why? 92 into 1 is 92. Then we have 2 zeros. Means we have to put 2 zeros. So this is the correct answer. 9200. Okay. Now you can attempt the remaining two parts. Okay. Then fifth, solve the following word problems. A, one basket of tomatoes contains 321 tomatoes. How many tomatoes do 19 baskets contain? एक बास्केट में टोमेटो की 321 tomatoes होते हैं, तो 19 baskets में कितने होंगे? So in this question we have to multiply 321 multiply 19 to get the answer. So you can multiply the numbers by yourself. Okay. Then B, a matchbox has 128 matchsticks in it. How many matchsticks will be there in 30 such matchboxes? एक matchbox में 128 है, तो 30 में कितने होंगे? So again we have to multiply 128 multiply 30. You can multiply to find the answer. Then C, if one toy car cost rupees 224, what will be the cost of 22 toy cars? एक की कॉस्ट इतनी है, तो 22 की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? Again we have to multiply. So 224 multiply 22, answer will be in rupees. Okay. Then D, a sofa set costs rupees 3,225. Find the cost of such 26 sofa sets. Again we'll multiply this number with this number. Okay. Then you can attempt the remaining word problems by yourself because those are the similar ones. Now objective skill, multiple choice question, MCQs. Tick the correct option. A, the product of 5, 2 and 10 is dash. Product means we have to multiply 3 of these numbers. Okay. We have option first 100, second 10, third 1000. The answer is 100. Okay. Then B, the product of which of the following two numbers is 1000. कौन से दो numbers का product 1000 आएगा? We have options. First 10, 10, second 1, 100, third 100, 10. The answer is 100, 10. Okay. Then C, 750 multiply 10 multiply 1 equals to question mark. We have option first 7,501, second 7,500, third 7,050. The answer is 7,500. Okay. Then D, 42 into 100 into 0 equals to question mark. We have option first 0, second 4,200, third 4,210. The answer will be 0 because if we multiply any number with 0, we'll get 0. Then E, 347 multiply 0 multiply 100 equals to question mark. Now we have option first 4,370, second 0, third 3,047. The answer will be 0. Creative skill, mental math, solve the following. So this is the number grid and we have to solve some question. So 7 multiply 9, answer is equal to, or 9 multiply 7, always same. So answer here is 6 and 3 is already written. Okay. Or I can write 63 whole here. Then 3 multiply 1 is 3 multiply 1. Okay, this is how we need to fill. 2 के टेबल में जो 4 है वो 2 पर आता है. So we'll write 2 here. Okay. Only this much we can solve because there is no other clues to solve or fill any other box here. Experiential learning, activity zone. Aim, the students learn to multiply using straws. So इस activity का basically यही aim है कि straws की help से जो students है multiply करना सीखेंगे. Okay? Then required material 10 straws each in 3 colors, say blue for ones, red for tens and green for hundreds. Worksheet. तो 10 straw लेनी है 3 colors में, blue जो represent करेगा ones को, red tens को, green hundreds को. Then procedure क्या रहेगा? The problem is written on the board. Multiply 523 by 4. Problem लिखी रहेगी 523 by 4. Okay. and the teacher demonstrate and the students follow using the straws. They may work in groups or individually. Teacher demonstrate करेगी और जो students उनको follow करना है वो individually भी work कर सकते हैं students और group में भी. The teacher writes the expanded form of the number 523. Teacher जो है वो expanded form लिखेगी 523 की. Then 523 equals to 500 plus 2 tens plus 3 ones. 4 equals to 4 ones हमने लिख दिया expanded form. Then the students use the 3 different colored straws for hundreds, tens and ones. So they take 5 green, 2 red and 3 blue straws and place them as shown. The straws for the number 4 ones are placed across the straws showing 523. फिर यहाँ पर जो 4 straws है वो इस तरीके से हमें put करनी है. Okay. Then count the number of points where the straws cross each other. फिर जहाँ पर क्रॉस कर रही है स्ट्रॉ उनको काउंट करना है उन नंबर्स को. A point represent 100 if a 100 straw cross a 1 straw. यहाँ पर जो point represent करेगा वो 100 point represent करेगा. Okay. A point represent 10 if 10 straw crosses a 1 straw. यहाँ पर जो point represent करेगा वो 10 point represent करेगा. A point represent 1 if 2 ones straw cross each other. और यहाँ पर जो point represent करेगा वो 1 point को represent करेगा. The student will count 20, 100, 8 tens and 12 ones. Student count करेंगे तो उन्हें ये कुछ observation find out होंगी. Then hence the product is 2000 plus 80 plus 12 which is equal to 2092 and 523 multiply 4 equals to 2092. Okay. The students then work out the products given in the worksheet and tabulate the answers which are then checked. तो जो रिमेनिंग यहाँ पर वर्कशीट में क्वेश्चन दिया इनको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स एंड जो वर्कशीट में वो आंसर फिल करेंगे वो चेक होगी वर्कशीट. ओके. So these are the question. 215 multiply 4, then 208 multiply 5, 413 multiply 2, 935 multiply 8, 340 multiply 6, 301 multiply 7, 326 multiply 4 and 600 multiply 5. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.